Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color 3 different dresses. Let's start drawing. To start, I'm going to draw a sleeveless dress with a nice ribbon here. And I draw many circles here. Now let's draw the next one with thin straps like this. Then I draw a nice bow at the waist. And a big skirt like this. Finally, I draw a short-sleeved dress. With an amazing belt. Good job! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. To color, I'm going to use the rainbow colors. I start with the color red here, like this. Then I use orange. Yellow. Then light green. Light blue. Light purple. For the second one, I use red. Then I use orange. Yellow. Then light green. Dark green. Light blue. A little dark blue. Purple. And pink. Fuchsia, mint. Finally, for the third dress, I use brown, orange, blue, and mint. Excellent! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.